Are you a farmer just like myself who wants high crop yield? The product that help you save time? The product that help you to spend less but harvest more? The product that is also environmental friendly and human friendly as well. Did you know that most of the chemicals and the chemical it has been scientifically proven that it is a result of some of the similar health problems that we are facing today? That's why this amazing company called Super Gro is a liquid organic fertilizer made from fowl droppings and seabed granules. This has a lot of benefits. It's very natural. That means it can be used for both plants and animals, and it causes no harm to you, the human being, nor the environment. And it can be used for both indoor and outdoor farming. Also, it acts as a surfactant. That means it helps to break down the surface tension of
enabling more water to reach the roots and enhancing rapid growth.
Super Gro acts as an activator of other chemicals. It helps to activate other chemicals like your fungicide, like your insecticide and your nematicide. Super Gro sticker, when you spray on your leaf, on the surface of your crops, it helps to attract more sunlight, therefore making it to put your crop to produce more. And Super Gro is very easy to use. That means you just need to mix with your water and you spray and you have a lot of amazing power. Super Gro is very, very economical and cheap. With Super Gro, it is very concentrated in one sense. Concentrated in that with this one Super Gro, it can be used for 5 hectares of land as compared to commercial fertilizer. Because for that same 5 hectares of land, if you are to use NPK or the other chemical fertilizer, you will notice that in a 5 hectares of land you need about 30 plus. And with the price now of 1 bag of fertilizer, it's very, very much expensive. For those of you who will be needing this product, you can contact the number, or you can reach out to the number you see on the screen WhatsApp button. It will direct you to my WhatsApp. And also for those who want to become a distributor of this product, no matter your area, you can as well contact the number you see on your screen. And lastly, for those of you that will be having a lot of bonuses and benefits, what are some of the benefits that you will also gain? Now, between this blue and the white, because a lot of people, they are confused. They say, why is this one blue, why is this one white? So you stand a chance now to know the difference between this blue and the white one. And secondly, you will also know the different measurements, for the different plants and animals. Like I mentioned, that is used for both plants and animals. So I will tell you how they are being used for the different plants and animals. They measure the duration and even the time and the season that you need to spray Super Gro. The number on that you see on your screen, or you can give me a call. I'll be waiting.